Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a restore point in Windows 11. A system restore point is a great feature that helps you get rid of annoying computer problems and save time. Although Windows 11 ships with advanced options such as built-in troubleshooters and reset this PC option, but a system restore point is a very important feature because it restores your computer to an earlier date in the event of a system failure. It also helps you to restore your PC even if Windows 11 does not boot. Moreover, when you restore your PC, it does not delete your personal files. Only applications that were installed after particular restore point was created will be removed. To create a system restore point, it is necessary to enable the system restore feature to be able to create system restore point. To do this, follow the next steps. Open the search menu and type in the search sysdm.cpl. Then, open the first result that appeared in the search list. Then, when the System Properties dialog window opens, click on the System Protection tab. Protection Settings section will show you a list of drives on your PC along with their protection status. The protected drive indicates that the System Restore feature is enabled, and if it is not protected, you cannot enable System Restore feature for it. To enable the System Restore for a drive, select the drive from the list, and then click Configure. In the Restore Settings section, select the Turn on System Protection Radio button to activate the feature on this drive you selected. Then allocate disk space, and it is usually set to 2%. Windows 11 automatically allocates about 2% of drive space to System Restore. You can move the slider to change the default custom size. Then click the Apply button, then the OK button. After completing this step, you can now create a System Restore point. You will notice that the Create button is now available. Select the drive you want to create a restore point for, then click the Create button. Give a name for the System Restore point, so that you can easily identify it when needed, and then click on the Create button. Windows 11 might take a minute or two to finish creating the restore point. Once done, you will see that the restore point was created successfully message. With these steps, you have a restore point for the system on your computer. In the next video, I will explain how to restore a system restore point and how to use it. I hope the video is useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.